What's good, my royalty family? Back at it again with another video, another educational video for content creators out there. It can be about cars, but be about anything. So, like, comment, subscribe, then we can go ahead and dive in, guys. So, if you are a content creator and you're looking to figure out what niche you want to go into, when it comes to being a content creator, here are some of the top profitable niches on YouTube today in 2022. These are what they're offering. So they're offering about one of the highest cost per click average. So hopefully this helps the people out there trying to figure out what path they want to go to on YouTube. So we can go ahead and dive in. I'm not gonna hold y'all too long. Hopefully this video don't go too long. I know y'all like that short and sweet content, so I guess I'm gonna just give y'all the top 10. So obviously number one is obviously making money online, offering about $13 cost per click. Then you have social media marketing. It's offering about a $12 cost per click. Finance and investing, that's a big one. A lot of people trying to figure out their finances and where to invest their finances. Those videos offering about a $12 cost per click as well. Then you'll have educational videos offering about $9 cost per click. You have photography and filmmaking, where they actually offering a $7 cost per click. Then my favorite, which is my niche, cars. So cars are offering a $4 cost per click right now. Then you have people who do like lifestyle vlogging, where it's like follow me, get ready with me, offering about $3 cost per click. Obviously, then the next thing will be fashion and clothing, which is offering a $3 cost per click as well. Then you have entertainment, offering a $2 cost per click. Then at number 10, you have cooking, which is offering a $2 cost per click. Cost per click. If you don't know what cost per click means, it's just when an ad is being shown and you're monetized. Every time an ad is being watched, this is what you're gonna get per viewer who watched the ad. So that's the top 10. It got about 17 on this list, but I'm gonna give y'all 17. So then we have number 11, which is tech and gadgets, offering a $2 cost per click. Then you have reviews and reaction, obviously reacting to videos or reviewing the products, offering a $2 cost per click. Then you have bodybuilding and fitness. I know a couple of people who do bodybuilding and fitness. A lot of people watch them to keep their body fit. Offering $1 cost per click. Then you have music. I'm assuming music videos or something. It's offering a $1 cost per click. You have number 15 is video games, offering a $1 cost per click as well. Then the last two, number 16 is ASMR, autonomous sensory Mandarin response. Example, mukbangs, I guess eating food. I don't know. They're offering actually 29-cent cost per click. Then obviously dance cover offering 35-cent cost per click. So guys, these are the top niches to go after in 2022 if you becoming a content creator and you are currently a content creator. We are wise. We have a bunch of information to provide people, and you just got to get the content out there for them to find it. So hopefully this helps. A little bit different. type of video for the channel, but I'm all about educating the people. But other than that, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. If this helped you, let me know in the comments below. Turn your post notification bells on so you don't miss none of the great things I have coming to the channel. Other than that, guys, supporting is free 99 and don't cost you a dime. But it's also cheaper than a cup of coffee from Starbucks. And I'll catch y'all in the next video.
All right.